Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any we're having a Hyundai Tucson guys, and you need to locate, remove or replace exhaust variable timing solenoid, also known as Vvt Solenoid. Now that should work on multiple generations guys, Hyundai Tucson with gasoline or diesel engine. We'll explain what you need to do to find it and remove and replace it, so make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to take them completely apart and make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. Now if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for a really good price and quick shipping as well, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from. So this is guys the 2.4 GDI engine that we'll be demonstrating on, but even if you have a 1.8, 2.0 or even different engines guys, gasoline, diesel, the procedure is about the same. So let's explain how to identify where the exhaust variable timing solenoid is located and how to replace it. First you need to remove the upper engine cover on your vehicle. Yours may differ, but on most of them, unless you have bolts, nuts on top, you just grab and pull them, they're attached with rubber bushings. Number two, you need to locate where the intake and exhaust side of the vehicle is. This is the intake, on the opposite side is the exhaust manifold. This is intake manifold. That's where the car gets its air and fuel from, that's where everything comes out of the tailpipe. Now, you will have guys, two camshafts, intake camshaft, exhaust camshaft. So looking at it here now, if you look at it, that's the exhaust camshaft, and if you follow that cable on the back side of the engine, close to the timing cover, you will have a solenoid. That's the exhaust camshaft, variable timing camshaft solenoid. This is the intake on the front side. So in order guys, to remove and replace it, usually you follow the wire. If you don't have any safety red pins or anything, you push it in first, push down and remove. Now right here you have one bolt that you need to remove. You can see on the bottom one bolt, and that thing can be really stuck now guys. It can be stuck. Try to pull it. If it doesn't come out, you may need to get pliers. And that's the solenoid. Now if you're about to replace that, we'll recommend to check our video how to clean and test Vvt solenoid on our main YouTube channel, how to repair guys, because 9 out of 10 times you can save those by cleaning them and testing them, see if they're good or bad guys. But that's how you do it. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.